Riding your bicycle with your friends is fun, but if you don't follow the rules of the road, a simple bike ride could result in vehicle code violations that can be very expensive, dangerous, and even deadly. Let's take a look at a few of the most common violations we've observed in the recent trend of bicycle riders in large groups. If you are not riding as fast as motor vehicles on the road, you must keep to the right so those vehicles are able to pass you safely. A citation for this currently carries a $197 fine. When riding your bicycle on the road, you must come to a complete stop at all stop signs and red lights. A citation for violating this vehicle code carries a $238 fine. Minors must wear a helmet while riding. This would be another $197 fine. Add them all up, and a single bike ride with your friends could cost you $632, plus the time and cost of traffic school. But most importantly, it's crucial to understand that these vehicle codes are in place for the bicycle rider's safety. In the past year alone, the city of Oxnard has had 69 bicyclist-involved traffic collisions. In those investigations, the bicyclist was determined to be at fault in 42 of those collisions, and tragically, 4 bicyclists have been killed in these collisions. Let's all work together to make Oxnard a safer place to walk, ride, drive, and, of course, live.